you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
B1's only 1,000 watt RMS piece on 12K.
That's why I want finesse. This 7H is not a fraud.
Hey, these are only 1,000 watt RMS.
Man, everything sound good, man.
Man, pretty fat box, but hell, it's been through the ringer, it's been through 2 competitions.
Those the golds?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
These are the B1s, so they're only 1,000 watt RMS.
Yeah.
The B2s are 1,500 watt RMS.
Yeah, like that new basket style, right? Yeah, I like those right there. I got so many demos of those when they first come out, man. They're still good.
These motherfuckers like lows.
Yeah.
I mean, this is hitting 23 to 47 hertz.
Play the whole thing.
Yep.
I don't even smell them. I don't smell them yet. So.
I mean, I can smell them getting hot just a little bit, especially this one. It's been through the theater.
Yeah, you've been playing them a while.
Yeah. Now, they're my avatar dealers right now.
Okay.
So he's like, hey, just run these for right now.
Okay, so you got something to hold you over.
Yeah, exactly. There's a 12 in the trunk right now.
Yeah.
I'm actually trying to sell it.
Yeah.
It's a Scar, but it has a Sundown recall.
That looks like a, that's the high end one, ain't it?
Yeah, that's a Scar ZBX series.
That's what I was going to say. How much you asking for? I might
400.
I might find somebody out here that need it.
I mean,
that thing look good.
Yeah. Hell, there's only like 10, 30 minutes playtime on that video.
Yeah, I was wondering, I said, that's a big sub they got sitting on the seat.
Yeah. That's only a Scar too. It has a Scar motor, Scar basket with the X3 V3's Sundown
part.
Yep.
Dust capping off.
Yep.
Oh,
so
yeah.
I boosted it up to about 2K RMS.
Yeah, so to do the job then.
Yeah.
Man, let them know are you on social media that can follow you? Let them know.
Team Basic. Facebook, Instagram. So the Nissan is the Slamming Nissan. We got Instagram, TikTok. I'm about to start up YouTube. Yeah, check us out.
Hopefully, man, we can tag that video in there and just start YouTube. Y'all be sure to go and follow. Man, it's good seeing you, bro.
Hey, you too.
Man,
you just got a demo for one of
here.
I'm the owner of the group.
Yeah, that's what he told me. That I got to check you out.
Yeah.
Are y'all going to any more shows?
Yeah.
What's the next one you think?
I think the next one I'm going to will be in June again.
It's down this way?
No, it's more down south.
Down south?
Etowah County area.
Okay, well, man, we'll keep in touch. Hopefully I can come down your way.
Is this your Instagram?
Yeah, all my information is in there.
Okay. I'll send you updates and everything.
All right, thanks, man. Thank you.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.